This 2025 Winnebago Travato 59 kiloliters is a Class B RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features a blue, indigo, Colombian walnut interior, sleeps 2, skylight, auxiliary battery, microwave, LP detector, spare tire kit, self-contained, refrigerator, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, and 18 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2025 Winnebago Travato 59 kiloliters is built on a ProMaster 3500 chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.